Dog likes to play with peas. She chews it, spits it out, chews it, spits. Give it, give it. All right, watch this, watch this. Come here. Coco, it's the pea. It's the pea. Watch this. You're gonna chew it and spit it out, and then she's gonna throw it with her mouth. But me and my mom are making pea bowl.
Pea bowl.
Pea bowl for dinner. We're gonna have only this, only pea bowl.
Only pea bowl.
And my dog is gonna play with the pea. But I'm gonna be live streaming tonight. Let me check the date and time. It's 6:11 on Monday, June 13th. So, 2020. That's the date I'm gonna do it. But except it's gonna be at 9. So, be there or be not there. So, yeah.
And he'll tell you how satisfying the peas were.
These are satisfied peas.